Hello, this is Papa and these are the user stories and my progress for the sprint 1. As a user, I want to click on my profile so I can view it, and the acceptance criteria for this one is user can navigate from home page to profile page. So here I'm going to go to the project, which is right here, and these are our home page, and we can go ahead and click to my account and navigate to the profile page. As a user, I want to click on various fields so I can modify my information, and the acceptance criteria here are user can see the edit button at the bottom of the page, which is right here. Here's the page, and at the bottom I can see the edit button. User can click the edit button that shows the three input field to update first name, last name, and description. And here the user can indeed click it, and it will be here, the input page. And I can go ahead and write my name, Papa Jiao. I am a CS student. And here we can see the user name and whatnot is actually updated. The user can enter the information she wants to update, which is what I just did here. And finally, the user sees the save button at the bottom of the screen. And here, after we have done with this update, we can see the save button right here, and I can click it and save it, and everything is indeed updated on the profile page. And this is it for me. Thank you very much.
Hi there, this is Russell Hayworth, and these are my child user stories for Sprint 1. As an unregistered user, I want to click on the Create Account button so that I can create my personal account. The Create Account button shows up on the home page. This is the home page. If we click the side menu, the Create Account button is right there. Clicking the Create Account button redirects to the Register page. So if we click it, we do go to the Register page. As an unregistered user, I want to enter my personal information into a form so that I can personalize my account. The form for user signup appears on the register page. It shows up right here. User is able to enter information into the form. We'll enter our information. Test 2. Test at test.com. We'll just say password 123 exclamation point and password 123 exclamation point. So we're able to enter in information to our form. The user is able to hide or see the password that they enter by clicking the icon button. So if we click on the icon button right here, we can hide or reveal our password. As an unregistered user, I want to click the submit button so that I can finish creating my account. User can click the submit button to create their account. The user information is saved into the database in the accounts table. The user password is encrypted, and the user is redirected to the login page once submission is complete. So if we click our submit button, we are redirected to our login page, and then we will verify that it was put into our database. And if we look right here, that was the information that we added. Our password has been encrypted, and all of our information that we set via the user signup page was complete, and we were redirected to our login page as well. Thank you.
Hello, this is Mohammed Rahman, and these are my user stories for sprint number 1. As an unregistered user, I want to be able to navigate to the events page so that I can see the upcoming events. The acceptance criteria is navigate from home page to events page. Events page displays the list of events. So this is the home page, and to go to the events page, we'll go to my account, hit the events button, and you can see that the events page and the events are listed. As an unregistered user, I want to see the list of events so that I can plan my trip. Acceptance criteria is events are displayed as a card item. event card shows image, name, date, and location. So you can see here that the events are listed as a card item. You have the image, name, date, and the location. As a user, I want to edit my profile so that it has the correct information. The child user story that I'm working on is, as a user, I want to click on the save button so that the information I modified is stored. The acceptance criteria is user clicks the save button that updates the information. User information is stored in the database. So we'll go back here. We'll go to my profile. So you can see that the name is Saif Rahman and the description is, this is a test description. So we'll go down. We'll hit the edit button and it will show the fields to save the information. Right now in the database it says the same thing, first name Saif, last name Rahman. This is a test description. So we will go here and we will say Rahman Muhammad and we'll change the description to, hi, this is Muhammad. We'll go back down. We'll save these changes and you can see here the changes are saved, and when we go to the database we run this again. It changes the description, says, hi, this is Muhammad. The first name has been changed and the last name has been changed. And that's it for my user stories.
Hello, my name is Vincent Nguyen, and this is my contribution to Sprint 1. In the recommendation page, as an unregistered user, I would like to see the name of the destination and some information about the destination. Acceptance criteria: each destination must include the name and picture of the destination. Each destination must include details and points of interest within the destination. We scroll down here. In the United States tab, we have Key Largo. We have Key Largo, which is the name of the destination. We also have the picture. We also have the description, and then we also have the points of interest within Key Largo, Florida. And as expressed in the rest of these 3 destinations, if you go to the World tab, we also have that's also expressed in each destination. In the recommendation page, as an unregistered user, I would like to see destinations around the world and destinations within the United States. For the acceptance criteria, must have a menu bar with tabs in order to see destinations in the world and within the United States. Destinations within the World tab should not include destinations within the United States, and destinations within the United States tab should not include destinations around the world. So over here we do have the menu bar and we have World and United States. In the World destinations we have Comado, Brazil, Buenos Aires, Argentina, Budapest, Hungary, none of which are inside the United States. And then for the United States we have Key Largo, Florida, Brooklyn, New York, Moab, Utah, which all of 3 are not outside of the United States. In the forms page, as a registered user, I would like to go to a forms page and post about my trips. Acceptance criteria: example posts must be displayed. Inside each post, there should be a title, date, and text. In each post, the profile picture must be on the left side with a username. Below it, the text within each post should be aligned correctly with nothing overlapping. Here in the forms page, we already have example posts displayed, and then inside each post we have the title, the date, and then the post itself. And then we also have the profile picture, and then we have the username below it. And all the text is aligned correctly. There is no overlapping within the post. In the forums page, as a registered user, I would like to have a text box for both the title of my post and the post itself. Acceptance criteria: there must be a section with the title and post text boxes in order to write a post. The title text box in the post tab should match the title in images and videos tab. So here we have the title text box, and we also have the post text box. And if we put in, this is my title, and if I click over to images and videos, it should be shown as such. In the forums page, as a registered user, I would like to have a button to submit my post or reply to a post. Acceptance criteria: there must be a post button inside the posting section. There must be a reply button for each post. The reply button in each post should be in the bottom right corner. In the posting section, I have my post button here, and then if we scroll down in each of these posts, there is a reply button in each of them, and they are all in the bottom right.
My name is Taylor Burrows, and these are my user stories for sprint number 1. The first one is, as a user, I want to first navigate to the home page so that I can access the other elements on the website. The acceptance criteria is, the home page is the first page a user sees when accessing the root URL. As a demo of it, I have a window open with the root URL, so if I reload it, once it loads, we can see that the page being displayed is the home page. The next user story is, as a user, I want to see a search bar so that I can plan my trip. The acceptance criteria is, a search bar includes inputs for the destination, departure location, departure date, and return date. And back on the home page, we see that we have a search bar which includes the departure location, destination, departure date, and return date. And this concludes my presentation for my user stories from sprint number 1.
So in conclusion, for this sprint, what we did focus on mostly is the front end pages and navigation, making sure that they were all there and working properly. And then also the back end and the database so that we can create the users, making sure that data is reflected correctly. Thanks.